S. Sandilya, who is the president of SIAM, says that the auto sector is reeling from a slowdown and feels that the government needs to make more efforts to jumpstart growth. Speaking on the demand outlook for the festive season, he believes that sales may remain subdued as more and more companies enforce production cuts.
Last few consecutive quarters we've been saying the auto industry dipping. And the last quarter is significant in this point of view that every segment of the auto industry has shown a decline. Whether it is passenger vehicles, utility vehicles, which is growing, two-wheelers, which is kind of showing growth, have also declined. So commercial vehicles in any case have been declining, they continue to decline. So it is actually a function of the overall economic decline. Economic slowdown, growth of the economy is not at the predicted level of 6%, 6.5%. Every quarter we are revising the GDP growth rate from 6 to 5.5 to 5.8 to 4, 5.1. So that uncertainty is continuously impacting the industry.
So what kind of stimulus package you are demanding you are going to demand from the government?
We cannot demand, we can only request. So our request is basically from 5-6 points that we're talking about. One is announce a fleet modernization scheme, like the cash for clinker scheme that Europe did. We say that some kind of a stimulus package announcement, the fleet modernization will help the industry, help the economy. Excise duty reduction is also another step we are talking about. Even rationalize the excise duties, get the stimulus package that you did a few years ago, so that you get the boost.
Mind cut down production, so you expect production cuts to continue in the auto sector?
As of now, that's what companies have announced. If the demand is not as per thing, capacity utilization is low, the companies cannot do anything but cut production. So they are cutting for 1 week or 2 weeks or 10 days or whatever the individual company policy in terms of inventory, they will cut production to keep in touch with sales. Why should you produce and keep in stock? That doesn't help anybody.
And festival season, how do you predict that, sir? What kind of
Very difficult to predict because last festive season went through, all our forecasts did not materialize at all in the festive season. So current festive season, unless the people have money in their hands by virtue of growth in the economy, we cannot predict any kind of a growth in the festive season.